October 17, 1901, President Theodore Roosevelt makes history when he invites Booker T. Washington to dine with him at the White House. 2 days later, while responding to critics during a press conference, President Roosevelt again made a historic precedent.
We will rid McKinley's ghost of the White House. And as for the other controversy at hand, the fact that I had Mr. Booker T. Washington dine at my table, and that some believe to have a Negro bumping knees beneath the table spread is an insult to the office, to them I say, I will have any man that I wish to dine at my table. I care not whether he is white, or black, or brown, no Jews, they fight the horses, or yellow. And to those who, on the other side, who say I am a hypocrite, and I am no friend of the Negroid race, to them I say, if you truly doubt my commitment to you, the sons of Ham, go ask my good friend, Booker T. Washington.
It was with these words that President Roosevelt started a trend that continues to this day of white men saying, I'm not racist, I have a black friend.
And God bless my niggas. You can say that now, black friend. Thank you very much. We'll see you again in the fall.